Oh friends, welcome to a new video. Top 5 Best
Electric Can Opener. Number 5. One Touch Start Automatic Can Opener for Arthritis Individuals. Electric Can Opener is one of the easiest to use products. Simply mount the can opener on the can. Can Opener Electric is a great tool and also is a great gift for people who have arthritis. Can Opener is very small, which can save much space. It made of ABS and stainless steel. The stainless steel cutting mechanism cuts around the side, creating an easily resealable lid with a safe smooth edge. Our can opener is your best choice. If you have any issues, please feel free to contact with us and get a refund within 180 days after the purchase. Number 4. Full Automatic Hands-Free Can Opener, Chef's Best Choice. Effortlessly open cans of any size by pressing of the gray button and stop by pressing once more. Innovative side cutting system removes the top of any can and creates a resealable smooth edge lid. Wipe with a damp cloth to clean. Please note that do not rinse the battery part. Power by 2x AA batteries, not included. Size measures approximately 6 x 2 x 1.4 inches. Small in size and light in weight. Number 3. Electric Can Opener, Restaurant Can Opener, Smooth Edge Automatic Electric Can Opener. Automatic can opener for individuals with arthritis or hand pain, requires no manual labor. Opens your cans fully automatically at the touch of a button. The lid is held simultaneously with a magnet to avoid a mess. The special highlight, after opening, the tin lid can be used directly for closing. The electric automatic can opener cuts off the lids with rounded edges to eliminate the risk of injury. 1-year guarantee. Please contact us for replacement if the item you received is defective. Number 2. Kitchen Mom Auto Stop Electric Can Opener, One Touch, Press and Forget. Your dog can open the can in just one touch. Press it once and it will automatically stop once done. Get yours before we sold out. Everyone is loving theirs, so our stock won't probably last long. Grab yours now or regret forever. No contamination, leaves soft edges, 100% safe to use. The blade cuts in the side of the can and on the top so it doesn't touch the food. Perfect round size for holding and storing. It will not take too much space in your drawers. The shape. Super easy, no more fighting with your can opener, you know what makes it quick. Fact is, it has 2 ph motor speed just enough to cut the can quickly. Plus its super sharp blade. Number 1. Restaurant Can Opener, Smooth Edge Automatic Electric Can Opener. No sharp edges, perfect for individuals with arthritis or hand pain, requires no manual labor. Effortlessly opens cans of any size at the push of a button. Please be noted that the can top, the blade should be bent, it is normal and not defective. This stylish kitchen gadget will self-adhere to any can and automatically open it in seconds. We suggest you give some pressure by hand on the top of the opener to let the can opener self-adhere to the cans. Cuts around the side of the can to eliminate sharp and dangerous edges, creating an easily resealable lid with a smooth edge.